Alright guys, it's here. I'm really excited to open this box and see what Thrive Market has to offer. I've been waiting for a couple days. Placed my first order the other day, signed up, got everything going. So it arrived today. It took 2 days. That's pretty impressive, especially where I live. I mean, I live out in the middle of nowhere, which is why I'm trying out Thrive Market. This is something that I heard about from one of my favorite YouTubers, Frugal Fit Mom. And I've seen some of her reviews on the products and seen what she has to say about Thrive Market. And I thought, you know what, that might be a really good way to go for some products that I can't get in my area. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. So thought I'd give this a try. If you don't know anything about Thrive Market is an online marketplace. They offer organic products at a heck of a deal. If you find these products anywhere else for cheaper, they will match the price, which is an amazing guarantee. It's going to cost me about $5 a month for the entire year. I did pay for the full membership up front, so it saved me a little bit of money. And without further ado, let's just dive right into this box and see what this has got in it. Oh boy. Oh wow. Ooh. Take out the packing supplies. Alright, so first up, I got some of the Pacific Foods chicken broth. I got 2 containers of that. For snacking, I got the Good Crisp Classic Original. When I used to work at an organic food co-op, I used to snack on these all the time, so I'm very familiar with these and I really enjoy them. So I got 2 cans of those. Also got the Zach's Mighty Organic Sea Salt Tortilla Chips. Gonna give those a try. I got 2 of the organic Taco Night Spice Blend Seasoning. Hello, Ren. Also got some of the Rind Keep It Real, Eat the Peel, Chewy Strawberry Skin on Dried Fruit. Give that a try. It's strawberry and pears. I got a packet of the organic ground paprika. And also picked up some of the movie theater popcorn, whole kernel popcorn. Love this stuff. Alrighty, moving on to this side. Looks like I have a welcome thing from Thrive, telling a little bit about the company and welcoming. So that's cool. Let's see, this must be my oils and stuff. They do a good job packing. Got some of the Foodie Easy to Digest, Easy to Love balsamic vinaigrette. I actually got 2 of these, so there's another one wrapped in here somewhere. My throat got dry. Let's see. Now I've heard good things about this particular product, which is why I got it. It's the Foodie Mild Salsa. I've heard really good things about this, so I'm very excited to try this. Kind of particular about my salsas, so it'll be interesting to see what this one's like. Alright, next we have another product I am excited to try is the Foodie Tomato and Basil Pasta Sauce. Okay guys, just popping in here really quick to let you know that I did try out the tomato basil pasta sauce. I made some spaghetti tonight and oh my gosh, it was good. The only thing that I did is I cooked up some Italian sausage and some onion, added the pasta sauce, and ate it. It was amazing. I didn't have to add any seasonings to it, nothing. And you guys, the ingredients on this, get this: chopped tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, carrot puree, basil, and sea salt. Hello, yum. This is amazing. You have to try it. But I definitely pack it in here good. This is my second balsamic vinaigrette. Alright, moving along. Got the Thrive Market Organic Raspberry Fruit Spread. Love raspberry fruit spread, so. Thrive Market Organic Soy Sauce. And the Foodie Garlic Infused Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Thrive Market Organic Red Wine Vinegar. And the Thrive Market Organic White Wine Vinegar. Here is just a quick overview of everything that I got in my box. Okay, starting off with first impressions. I'm actually pretty impressed. The shipment time to get my goods to me, I ordered these 2 days ago and I received it this afternoon. I think that's amazing. I live in such a remote area that I thought it would take like maybe 3 or 4 days. It was here in 2 from the date I ordered it, which I'm pretty impressed with that. They shipped it very well. It was packed nicely. I had a lot of glass bottles and jars in there and nothing broke. And they've also taken steps to prevent, if one of them does break, to prevent them from getting all over everything else that's in your box. So starting off on the right foot there. The prices, yes, for what you're getting. You're getting full-size organic products, and the prices actually can't be beat. I'm pretty impressed with that. I'm excited for the next time I order to actually get into the frozen things that they offer, as well as their meats. I've heard great things about some of the meat products that they have. This video is not sponsored, by the way. If you are interested in learning more about Thrive Market, I will leave a link down in the description box for you to check that out and learn more about the company and what they have to offer. It's pretty amazing, and I think you'll be impressed, especially for the organic products that you can get. I think for the price, you'll be impressed. So go and check them out. And if you're interested in more food hauls and or recipes on what I'm gonna do with some of this food, I will leave some video over here for you to check out. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That would be amazing. And as always, I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.